Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to allow notifications for media preview on the WhatsApp app for PC after the latest update. This is a simple feature, but it makes a big difference if you want to see image or video previews right inside your notifications without having to open the app every single time. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're already signed in and everything is up to date, so that you have access to the newest settings. Once the app is open, look toward the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. Here, you'll see a small gear icon, which represents the settings menu. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking the gear icon, a full list of settings will appear. From these options, select the one labeled Notifications. This will take you to a page where you can manage everything related to alerts and how WhatsApp notifies you about messages. Inside the Notifications section, scroll until you find the option for Media Preview. This is the feature that allows you to see images, videos, and other media directly in your desktop notifications instead of just a plain message. By default, this option might be turned off after the update, so to enable it, simply click or toggle the switch to turn it on. Once the media preview option is enabled, you're all set. From now on, anytime someone sends you an image, GIF, or video, you'll be able to see a preview right in your notification pop-up without needing to switch to the app immediately. It's a small but very useful change that saves time and helps you decide at a glance whether you need to check a message right away. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, opening WhatsApp on your PC, selecting the gear icon, going into Notifications, and enabling Media Preview, you've customized your notifications to work better for you. Give it a try and enjoy a smoother WhatsApp experience on your computer.